Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you what the differences are between rice sticks and vermicelli noodles, okay? So rice sticks are basically sticks and they're flat in size, and these are typically used when you're making dishes like Vietnamese pho or Thai stir fries like pad Thai and pad see ew. They come in various like different widths. So typically in Thai food, like they use the wider widths, whereas with Vietnamese soup noodles and broth-based noodles, they use the thinner versions of this and they're flat. Vermicelli noodles, on the other hand, are different in that they are rounder, okay? So they're round, kind of like spaghetti noodles, but a little bit thinner, and they actually do come in different sizes, believe it or not. And typically I like the sizes that are a little bit bigger than this, but this is the brand that I like for vermicelli noodles. Vermicelli noodles are used in things like kapun, which is a Lao and Thai dish, and then in Vietnamese, like they use this for like vermicelli noodles where you have like the pork on top with different fresh herbs. So that is what vermicelli noodles are used for. And then again, this is used for mainly pho and also dishes where you're stir frying a bunch of stuff, and both come in different widths, but they are completely different and you do not want to mix them up when you're making some of these dishes. And I'll go ahead and link down below with all of the different recipes that you can use for each of these so that you can kind of see how they're different by how they're used.